Hello everyone, this is Mohit and this video is based on the people who is searching job in Bangalore or another city. Right, so first I will tell you where your journey is going to start. So mostly what is going to happen after BTech, we don't have a proper skill to get the job. Right, we have learned 4 year in BTech, just we are going to do the semester, right? But we don't have a proper skill, so that's why we are struggling to get the job, right? So mostly people are moving in the Bangalore, and really Bangalore is the best place to getting the job. Be having the n number of the company, be having the huge opportunity, right? But you should have a proper skill. If you don't have a proper skill, you will struggle too much over there. You have a proper guidance what you have to do, right? So most some of the people, every year we having the around many people are coming from the Bangalore. As per the data, like 1 lakh and 2 lakh people after completing the BTech, the coming from the Bangalore for searching the job. But 50% people will go back. Why? They give up because they don't know what they have to do. That is the problem. Second thing, 50% the people are fighting on the battle. So Bangalore is the battle where you have to fight yourself, right? So how to fight over there? So first thing is your patience, second thing is your hard work. These two things if you have, but still you are not getting the job, where you are lacking guidance. You don't have a guidance what you have to learn if you are a fresher. And the people who belongs to non CSE background, they are struggling too much because they don't know what we have to learn, right? They don't belongs to a programming background. That is the big challenge for us to move in the programming and software industry. But you can do anything if you have an interest. So many people are there and many problem you will face, but we having the n number of solution to get the job, your dream job. So what is the problem? Basically I was also, after completing the BTech, I also went the Bangalore. Don't have any proper skill, so I having the more experience. You should not struggle like me, right? So this video will help you how to prepare yourself, how to develop your skill, what you have to learn to get the job. So we having the two types of the people, right? Some people having there is no problem with financially, but some people having the more problem with finance, right? Financially means, Bangalore is a costly city. Minimum you have to spend 8,000 or 9,000 per month. Might be some of the parents is not able to support to financially. What you can do in that situation, right? So in IT industry we having the two types of the job. One is your technical job and one is your non-technical job, right? If you don't have a proper skill and you want to stay in the Bangalore, then you have to survive, right? So what I can do, you can take any job and side by side we can learn, we can develop our skill. So this is very important, your skill set. So we will go for the permanent solution, right? So non-technical background, if you have a BTech, definitely I will suggest you go in the IT in technical. And if you are not interested with coding and all, but we having the many profile, many tools you can learn and you can survive in the IT. If you are interested with coding and programming, very good for you, right? So what you have to do, what you have to develop your skill to get the job. So for fresher guy, what you have to do, if you already know that we have a two types of the exam. One is your e-litmus and one is your MCAT. So you can write that exam. For fresher people, you must having very good practice with aptitude and English. So first round will be only aptitude and English if you will go any IT job. So out of 10 might be 1 and 2 company only providing the technical question, but 9 company 8 company will take your aptitude. You have to work on the aptitude part. This suggestion for your fresher people. And some of the people are experienced, they having the more gap and they want to move in the IT with experience, right? Like fake experience and fake experience and all. How to develop data skill. So you can put on the 2-year experience and you can survive in the company, right? So first you have to select your one profile, right? IT industry having the multiple profile. So we having the developer, we have a tester, we have a DevOps, we having the another high level profile is artificial intelligence, data science, many profile is there. Here will also come what is your interest, and your question is I don't know anything, how I can find the proper profile. So my answer is you can learn at least minimum one programming language. Like I am learning Java, so that is not enough to get the job. If you are learning any programming language, you must having the one framework, right? That programming language will help you to develop the application or testing the application, right? Or implementing real-time project. Like I can give you one example, like I am learning Java. So Java having the multiple profile. Java support Selenium means testing, Java support development, right? So you have to learn Java with Selenium, Java with if you want to go in the development field, if you have to learn framework like a Spring, Hibernate, microservices, UI. So you have to make one profile, either development profile, either testing profile, DevOps profile, database profile. So you have to find one proper profile. And many people are asking the question, which profile is good? Every profile is good if you are really master in that profile. So this is my suggestion will help to you. Some of the people don't have a proper skill, you are rejecting in the company, right? Interview, right? So note down where is you are lacking over there. Make a one plan. After rejecting the company or after attending the interview, if you are not selected, no problem at all, but you have to find what is your mistake to getting rejection. That mistake you have to write on your paper, and if you will go for the second interview, that mistake should not be happen, right? So we having the Google, you can find all the solution, right? If you are attending like everything is going fine, you are selected in the first round, technical round, managerial round, HR round, but you are not getting the offer letter. What you can do, you have to keep the patience for your day, right? Sometime this is our day is not there, right? So here you have to keep the patience, you have to do more and more hard work, you have to do more and more hard work. How, right? So make a one plan, day plan, what you have to do today. Right now we having a very less call, or just do your preparation. We having the huge opportunity in the IT sector. Just do your preparation, develop your skill set. Coming days, really I tell you, be having the huge opportunity in India, right? So just you can work on your skill. Don't focus on your problem, focus on your solution. Focus on your solution only. If you have a one problem, be having the multiple solution. Don't demotivate, don't talk to the people who is having the negative thoughts. If you are frustrated, you can watch motivational videos, you can watch motivational movie, right? So this will help you to motivate. right? So I can give you example of myself. In my college, 90% people did not get the job, and all the people right now, they are working in MNC. Okay, all the people came from the Bangalore, and 95% people got job and they're working, and some of them, they went in foreign also on site, right? And few people belongs to CSE background, non CSE background, until unless all are working in the very good profile and MNC company. So I have seen, I already, I was there in your place when I have started to search my job. I was completely zero in the software field, and right now, today I am working in very good MNC company with automation test engineer. And also I'm not stopping in only one skill. I'm also learning, new skill development, DevOps, when I'm getting the time. So if you will think after getting the job you don't have a problem, don't think like that. In future also many problem will come, but we having the more and more solution. Never satisfied with your skill, never satisfied with your skill. Work on that. You can make, today I have 10, tomorrow I have to make 0.1 more, right? So you have to become a very crazy to learn the things. That is the IT sector, right? So you have to become the crazy. Lastly, what I can do, believe in yourself. Don't talk with the negative thought people. You having the negative mind, we cannot do anything. You can talk with positive people. You can watch the motivational video, right? You can see many failures are there. The people failed, but they did hard work. They having the patience, right? They're doing the hard work. They're having the belief, I can do better, I can do better, I can do better, I can do better. And they they reached on the destination, right? So we have to do same like that. So if you like this video, please share with your friends. If you having the some doubt, or if you want some help how to get the job, and if you having any doubt related to finding the job and searching the job, below comment your email ID or your contact number. I will also give you my WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me. And what if you having the any problem, if you are getting frustrated, hey, I am not able to do, you can reach out to me. I will motivate to you. I will give you the live example. The people doesn't have anything, but they right now they having the very good, they are working in the top level of the MNC. I will give you the live example how it is possible because of you. Okay, so if you having the many problem, we having the many solution, many solution. So it totally depends upon you what you want to do, right? So never give up, do hard work, keep patience. This is the way to success. Thank you all. Thank you so much.